Did you guys know that there's something that you can do to make a difference when it comes to trafficking that costs you absolutely nothing? Do you have this app downloaded? It's called TraffickCam, and it's spelled TRAFFICK CAM, and you can download it. This goes directly to the law enforcement and FBI, and especially if you're somebody that travels, this is how it works. Once you're in the app, you'll see it like this. So that's a picture on the wall you can see down below. You're going to click where you're staying, and I'll explain how this works. I was staying at the Prospector Hotel. Then you're going to type in your room number. I was in room 231. Then click to upload. It takes a minute to upload, but this uploads directly into the database. And look what that says. Submission form. Volunteers like you are quite useful and help in the prevention of trafficking. So thank you for your contribution. Very cool. So what that does is that uploads into a database, and a lot of these people that are trafficking, they're using different hotel rooms, and so they can match the updated hotel rooms with the locations, and they can identify where a victim was last seen at. So especially if you're somebody that travels a lot like I do this in every single hotel room that I go into. And you can see on the bottom there, you can like put in the curtains, you can put in the bathroom, you can put in the desk, the lamp, the artwork, like everything in the room, it tracks, and it literally goes directly into the database. So if I go to your profile and I see that you fight for this and you don't have this app downloaded, what are you doing? Go download it now. You can help a lot of people.